Patterson, and this is Kevin Rooker. We're the clinical team with CIVCO Medical Solutions. Today we're going to discuss how to assemble the UltraPro 2 needle guide. To get started, attach the UltraPro 2 bracket to the transducer. The bracket is customized, non-sterile, and reusable. Find the locating feature on the transducer, the corresponding on the bracket, and then snap into place. The next thing we're going to do is use a two-person sterile technique.
Using the two-person technique, the non-sterile person will open the UltraPro 2 kit and drop it onto the sterile tray. The sterile person will then open the kit, and what you'll find inside is a CIVFlex probe cover, sterile gel, elastic bands, the needle guide, and then gauge-specific inserts.
Okay, so now, since we're having a two-person sterile technique, we're going to put on the probe cover.
The non-sterile person will put a bead of gel on the probe of the ultrasound transducer, and then this can be accomplished in two ways. Either the sterile person can grab the probe, or they can create a cup with the probe cover, and you can drop the probe into it. So it's a personal preference. For today, we're going to use the grasping technique, if you will. So the sterile person will grasp the probe, take it away from the non-sterile person, and pull the cover down the cable. Then you can attach the elastic bands, one typically on the probe itself, and then make sure that all the air is off of the probe face. And then the second band is generally put down lower on the cable to keep the cover from sliding.
Okay, now that we're sterile, I'm going to pick up the needle guide and attach it to the bracket and close the lever into place. I'm going to use a 20 gauge F&A needle, so identify the 20 gauge insert on the tree, give it a twist, slide it into the guide, and that is how you assemble an UltraPro 2 needle guide.